I'm Kesal. I'm a trained dancer. I've been trained in West Classical Ballet. I do different dance forms. I also do flamenco and contemporary, but I also do Bollywood as well. And I've been studying dance for a very long time. My first big project in the Bollywood industry was I did a small dance piece with Hrithik Roshan in Koi Mil Gaya. And I did an item song with Aftab Shiv Dasani in the film called Muskan, very long time back. I'm looking forward to, my main aim is to do a lot more item songs. I want to do a really good one where I would also like to choreograph the entire song with dancers and stuff. I love Helen and I love Madhuri Dixit. I love her expressions, I love Helen's movements. I'm very inspired by these women and I would like to do something on those lines. My main focus has been, I've been really focusing on training and stuff, and I've been doing a lot of events. And I've been doing a lot of wedding events, a lot of corporate events, and I've not had the time to really focus on my, on this part of what I want to do. But now I think I want to dedicate all my time to doing just this because it's very difficult. I'm choreographing my own events at the moment and I spend a lot of time because I handle the costumes, the entire design of the show, the dancers. I mean, I teach them, I have rehearsals. So there's a lot that I've been doing at the moment. And but right now I just want to focus on doing an item song. Well, I can say that my kind of dancing would, it would definitely have an element of ballet in it. I'm extremely graceful and very flexible. I want to bring in something very different. I've got my own style, which I would like to put into the song, and that's how I see it. Well, I would love to meet him. It's not very easy to meet big celebrities, but if I do meet Salman Khan, I would definitely love to dance on one of his films. If I got the opportunity, I would really love it.
Whom do you see is the backup, the best performer in terms of item song in industry, in the current scenario?
I would have to say Malaika Arora Khan. Yeah. I like her dancing. It's very graceful, very beautiful. The thing is, I have my own style, and I've got my, I've got my own thing that I want to give to Bollywood. So I like to look at other dancers. I like her grace very much. She's very graceful. So that's the one thing, I like. And I'm also very inspired by a lot of international performers. I love the late Dame Margot Fonteyn and the late Rudolf Nureyev. I mean, that's where I get my inspiration, mainly from ballet dancers. I'm currently, doing a lot of events. I'm doing very big events. I'm doing some beautiful weddings in Jodhpur and Jaipur and Udaipur, which are currently coming up. I'm doing events all over India and abroad. So I've been very busy with that. But I need to start focusing on approaching people to do an item song because that's also one of the things that I want to do.
ऐसी ही कई इंटरेस्टिंग बातों के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए बॉलीवुड वाला को. डू शेयर योर फीडबैक्स, कमेंट ऑन आवर स्टोरीज एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द स्टोरीज.